Question is asking what is the equation of the parabola. Now we are talking of a parabola. Focus is at 2, 0. We'll try to draw one sketch and see. The focus is at the point 2, 0. The focus is at the point 2, 0 like this. The focus is lying on the x-axis 2, 0. This is the x-axis. This is the y-axis. Now exactly at asymmetrically opposite coordinate, that is -2, 0, one line will pass. This line will pass. This line is nothing but x is equal to -2, which is the directrix. X is equal to -2. So focus is nothing but a, 0. The equation of the directrix is x is equal to -a, which again you see that a value is equal to 2. Correct or not? Here also a is equal to 2. Here also a is equal to 2. So what is the equation of the parabola? The equation of this particular parabola is what? Y square is equal to 4ax, right? That's all. Y square is equal to 4ax. Y square is equal to 4 into 2 into x. Y square is equal to what answer do you get? 8x will be the answer to the question.